on est en direction pour aller chercher les tailleurs pour le 24.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem?
On est en train de préparer les roues pour le 24. N'oublie pas si tu as besoin de tailleurs, neufs comme usagés, de garage d'Ericauclair. Ils font ça pour toi, ils font même la mécanique.
I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now? Okay, now hold up. Let me get something right off my chest. I've been meaning to read into it, time to put it to rest. Is it stress? Is it that I ain't answer your text? Don't you treat it like amnesia, you know I always forget. Setting the pot real hot, watch how the clock figures. Around the clock, tick tock, need more than 20 seconds to get your attention before it's on to the next thing. And I'm over here again wondering, can I hold you, feel your truth, pull you closer, talk it through. You know that I'm the one that you can come and complain to. Your silhouette's amazing, but your brain is a maze too. So can you help me find my way, while I find something to say?
C'est des tailleurs. Prise 2, que tu mets un tailleur, tu peux mettre une valve neuve. Tu t'annotes ton tailleur.
I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something.
Ça va être capable, ça remplit.
So open your mind up, let me inside, and let's make it right. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? Cause I keep trying to figure it out. Oh no, oh no. Tell me, baby, what's the problem? I'm only picking up what you're putting down. You'll be tripping, I don't know what about. So what's the problem right now?
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and me jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making moves. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
Juste pour votre satisfaction, c'est à zéro.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep.
Tu as besoin de roues, tailleurs, de rimes, de marques, tailleurs neufs, usagés. Garage d'Ericauclair. Ils ont tout en stock. Du neuf, du usagé. des roues d'acier, des roues de maille, tout ce que tu veux. On la pose sur place. Ils sont bien grillés. Si vous avez besoin de quoi que ce soit, n'hésitez pas à les contacter, ils sont là pour vous. T'es-tu prêt? Ça va brosser en tabarnak, mon chum, je t'avertis. Là, ça drift pas, là, on a un problème. T'as envie de voir ça péter cette heure-là, là? Le 24. C'est là que ça se passe. Là, je te le dis, là. Soit que c'est les tailleurs qui pètent, soit que c'est le moteur. Fait que... manque pas ça. Partage au max. Tes chums vont vouloir voir ça aussi. T'es en train de préparer des roues pour le 24. N'oubliez pas, si vous avez besoin de tailleur, garage à ericauclair, dans tout ce que vous avez besoin. Dans le neuf comme dans l'usager. Si t'as besoin de mécanique, il fait la mécanique aussi.
Back from the dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're all invited to go fucking mental on this motherfucking drop. The countdown has just begun. Are you ready? Let's go, 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 go.
Now we're back from the dead. We're back from the dead.